Very strange. Or maybe they think they have a week off. Oh my goodness, these students are funny. Okay, so that's on now. Okay, so I take it you know what trigonometry is. You know what sine, cosine, and tangent are. Yeah, so today we are going to be learning about how to sketch trig functions or trig graphs, okay? And to be able to do this, you need to know some important aspects of the graph, yeah? So I'm just going to write down a few terminologies that we need to know. The first one is the amplitude. Amplitude. Oh, let me take this off. Just going to draw a line. And the amplitude is how far away from the x-axis it is in the positive and negative direction. How far away from the x oh let me just ask Andre if they are supposed to be somewhere else today, just to make sure, yeah, because it's a little bit strange that nobody's here. Okay. So if there are somewhere that you need to know, then maybe you need to go and join. Morning, Andre. I only have one student in. One student in today. So I was wondering whether they are supposed to be somewhere else this morning. Mm. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to wait for him to get back to me, but we can continue. Yeah, you go to your student portal and then go to Moodle. Yeah, from student portal, you go to Moodle, but you need to have the login details, username and password. If you haven't already got that, you need to ask for it. If you've got it, then just use it to log in. Yeah. And the other thing you need to know about is the period. The period is how many degrees before it repeats itself again. How many degrees before it repeats itself again. And I hope you have like graph paper and pencil and everything at home that you're using. Yeah, because you need that. Okay, so let's have a look at the graph of sine x, okay? And cos x. We'll start with sine x today. But for both graphs, they both have a period of 2 pi, okay? Sine x and cos x, I'll type that in. Okay, so you should have everything on my board written down in your book for me. And then, and 2 pi is the same thing as 360 degrees. Okay, now generally, if y is equal to a sine bx, yeah, then a is the amplitude. Let me see. Oh, they have exams. Okay, that's great. Okay, thank you. Yes, I will just do that. It was a little bit strange, yeah. So I'm just going to do revision with you here because they have exams. And shouldn't, yeah, because you're not doing those subjects with them. Okay. So I'm just going to go. Is there any topics that you missed that you want me to go over with you? Just have a look for me. Let's leave this out now because I will have to repeat the whole thing when they are in class. So there's no need for it. Is there any topic that you missed that you would like me to go over with you? Where did you join us in topic what? Let me stop the live stream.